If we're graphing functions like these where they give us an x and a y, I'm just going to have you guys pick like 5 points. And the points I would pick up out of you are -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. And you're going to get some decimal answers, or actually fractional answers. Leave them as fractions if you do that, and use this tool to plot the points. So you click on this, and then it'll give you a template for an ordered pair. And then if your y value is a fraction, enter it as a fraction. Because if you use a decimal and it's like a decimal that repeats, or not, you round, it's not going to accept it as correct. So if you use the fraction, it'll be fine. And the rest of this is really just plugging and chugging stuff in. So I'm going to let you go ahead and plug in those values and pause this for a minute, and then when you get in, like, poof, you'll see all the numbers there. So these are all the values that I got when I plugged in like -2 here. -3/4 times -2 cubed became -8. If you don't have a calculator, and you really shouldn't for this problem, I don't think, I'm getting this by doing -3 times the -8, which is 24, and then this -8 is really like over a 1, and 4 times 1 is 4. So fractions, it's top by top is the new top, bottom by the bottom, and I had to include that 1 as the new bottom, and then I'll reduce that. So, if x is -2, y is going to be, it looks like +6, right? And if x is -1, same idea. You can look at those calculations. I don't think there's anything but it's 3/4. So when you go ahead and enter it, that point, use this tool, make the x 1, and then use the fraction template to put in 3/4. 0, 0. 1 would give us -3/4, and I'll just go and do this calculation really quick too. I'm plugging in 2 up here. It's -3/4 times 2 cubed. Order of operations says 2 cubed is 8. It's really like 8 over 1. Top by top is -24. Bottom by bottom is 4. And that's going to give us the -6 that we see there. So that's -6. And then, like I said, for probably more times than you care to hear, use that tool to plot the points. Use the fraction template to put in the y values. If the fractions reduce them. Like this, for instance, you had to put in a -6, not a 24 over 4. And then plot it, and it should go well.